exploring the legendary Corvette C3, a timeless muscle car. Today, it's all about one of the most iconic muscle cars in history, the Corvette C3. This beast, produced between 1968 and 1982, represents the golden era of American performance cars. With its long, aggressive hood, curvy bodylines, and unmistakable stance, the C3 is a true work of automotive art that continues to captivate enthusiasts worldwide. Design and legacy. The Corvette C3 boasts an unmistakable shark nose front end, pop-up headlights, and a sleek fastback rear that gives it an aerodynamic and futuristic look, even by today's standards. Inspired by the legendary Mako Shark II concept, this Corvette remains one of the most recognized and sought-after classic cars. Performance and power. Under the hood, most Corvette C3s came equipped with a powerful small block or big block V8 engine, delivering a thrilling roar and adrenaline-pumping acceleration. Whether you choose a 350 CIL48, the high-performance L82, or the monstrous 4 CI big block, the C3 was built for serious speed and torque. The driving experience, pure muscle and raw power on every stretch of road, a collector's dream. As the years pass, the value and desirability of the Corvette C3 continue to rise. Classic car collectors and muscle car fans worldwide are eager to get their hands on a well-maintained C3, whether in its early chrome bumper models 1968 to 1972, or the later sleek urethane bumper versions 1973 to 1982. The C3 is a timeless masterpiece that commands attention wherever it goes. Would you take one for a spin? Or better yet, make it yours? Let me know your dream specs and favorite model year for the Corvette C3.